on the Kobe earthquake. As you are aware, an earthquake hit Kobe, Japan, last Tuesday, the 17th of January at 5:46 a.m. The cause of the earthquake is now understood as the result of movement along the boundary lines of three major active fault plates. These are the Philippine Plate, the Pacific Plate, and the Eurasian Plate. The epicenter was 20 k's off the coast of Port Kobe, and its focus was 16 k below the Earth's surface. It lasted a whole 20 seconds. We are now going to cross over to our on-the-spot reporter, Talen Selvage. Thanks, Talen. The Kobe earthquake was one of the worst in the country's history. 6,433 people died, nearly 27,000 people were injured, and more than 45,000 homes were destroyed. The total cost of repairing the damage is estimated at more than $100 billion. This 1995 earthquake will be famous for exposing the weakness of the infrastructures here in Kobe. Authorities who claimed Kobe, Japan was earthquake resistant have been proven wrong by the collapse of many earthquake-resistant buildings, as well as rail lines, elevated highways, and ports in the Kobe area. The government is being heavily criticised for its slow and inefficient response, as well as its earlier refusal to accept help from other countries. The government plans to revise its disaster response policies, as well as reinforcing remaining buildings and improving on their earthquake-resistant building codes. Thanks. Back to you, Talen. Thanks, Talen, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you at 6 o'clock with more news from around the world.